In a previous video, we took a list of tasks with statuses and we turned them into a Kanban board. This is a visual way to see what's in our workflow. Here's our entire workflow from to do to done. I want to show you one extra thing we can do, which is we can show multiple columns in this list. Right now, we're just taking the A column and we're sorting it by the status. But let's say we may want our assignee name, priority. Maybe we want the due date as well to be shown there. I'm going to show you how. We're going to take our filter. We're going to copy it because we're going to use this filter again and again. We'll wrap everything with array formula. And then at the end, we're going to add an ampersand. Now, we could just paste our filter. And let's say we're going to use the B column. The B column was the assignee. And this is what it would look like. We see here with that array formula wrapping around the filters with the ampersand, we're just literally adding the text of the assignee there. We need a little bit of visual space here perhaps. So let's put quote on a pipe and then another ampersand here. So ampersand, that pipe, and then an ampersand. And here we have just the name of the assignee. But maybe we want to put that on the next line. So instead of the pipe, I'm going to do Command Enter. That's creating a new line. And now you'll see that they're all on a new line. But let's add some more things. Let's add the priority. So we'll do ampersand, quote, command return, quote, ampersand, and then we will copy this filter again. And I think we're using the D column here. Yeah, so now we have the priority. Let's add one more, and then an ampersand and the filter again. Let's make sure we get the right filter, E column now. But look at this. We run into a little bit of a problem. This is a number, 45,713, and that's a date. So we need to format this, date. So we'll use text, and we'll use format. And what is the format we're going to use? If we use MMM, 3 M's, that's the first 3 letters of the month. Space D, that's the number of days. If we use double D's, we'll get a leading 0 there, but we don't necessarily need that. We just need 1 D. If you want the year for Y's, we'll get you the year. And there we go. There's all of our due dates, our priorities. We can format this maybe as centered text. And maybe we want to add grid lines back in. But that's how to get a Kanban board to show multiple columns. And one extra tip to show you how to show the date inside of this filter and array formula. Hope that was fun. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets, keep watching here on Better Sheets on YouTube. Subscribe if you can, because it really helps.